Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna be unboxing all 3 of the new KKW Kimoji fragrances. I will be sharing my thoughts, I will be sharing the bottles, and I will be sniffing for the first time honey. So first fragrance I'm gonna start with is the Kimoji Cherry. I love the little like cherry, and then on the bottom there is the ingredients and the expiration, which is 36 months after opening. Glad to know that there is a long expiration on these. And then there's the Kimoji little logo right here. So it opens up like a cute little drawer. Oh, wow. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, how cute. Oh, I love this. Wow. So this is such a cute bottle. I love it. This is so creative and cute, like a real life Kimoji come to life. Let's open her up. Oh, cute. So it's like a little half a cherry. Someone bit it off. It feels like a toy. It feels like an actual toy. So the quality of this bottle is similar to like a little Tokidoki toy, like a collectible plastic toy. This feels very similar in terms of the quality. The base feels like a stronger plastic. I thought at first it might have been glass, but I actually think it's just a really strong, high quality plastic. And the icing is a little flimsier. You want to be careful because I could imagine this snapping possibly, like the little drip snapping if it got into the wrong hand, so be careful. And of course this little stem is delicate, so you don't want to like bend her over. Let's give her a spritz. Okay, so I'm gonna spray her on this wrist. Woo! Right off the bat, I get slapped with a cherry across the face. Ooh, I'm smelling some strawberry. So the opening notes for Kimoji Cherry are juicy red cherry, luscious raspberry, and sweet strawberry, with the heart of the fragrance consisting of cherry blossom, gardenia petals, and vanilla orchid, with a finish of whipped vanilla, blonde woods, and musk. I get a lot of vanilla right off the bat. I got cherry, I got strawberry, and then just full-blown vanilla musk. Very sweet, but it's not sugary. It's rich. It's not giving me a headache. Side note, you only need to spray a little tiny bit of these fragrances. They are very strong. Next up, we are going to be sniffing and opening up the Kimoji Vibes fragrance. Now, here is the packaging. Cool. Oh, this is really cute, actually. I love the font. This was the bottle that I was kind of like least excited to see because like the other ones were so over the top, so gay, so fun. But this is actually kind of sleek and cute. And yeah, this is glass. Like the Vibes is clear in the front, has the color on the back. So when you look through, it has like a 3D dimension. I think I saw on her makeup artist Mario's Instagram that this was his favorite, so if it's good enough for Mario. All right. It's a little awkward, I must say, to hold. Oh, I guess you'll hold it like this. Ooh, wow. Okay. This is the winner. I'm calling it early. I am calling it early. This is unique. Oh, I've been waiting for this. You guys, I've been waiting for this. I've been waiting to be truly moved by one of the fragrances. Yes, a lot of them have really impressed me. I've liked a lot of them. I think I've loved maybe 2 out of all of them that I bought. Loved the packaging always. Girl, this fragrance is it. I might need to buy another bottle of this because it's limited edition. I actually love this fragrance. Ah! Honey, this is a vibe. This is a vibe. This is a moment. I don't even know what I'm smelling. That is what I love in fragrance. When you spray it and you're like, bitch, I don't even know what this smells like, and I am obsessed. I am obsessed with Kimoji Vibes. Thank you. Oh my! This, you guys, this is it. Game over. We should stop the video. This smells expensive as fuck. Wow. I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that. I really wasn't. Because you know what? This is the quietest bottle. You know what I mean? It's not the loudest. So you underestimate it. But wow, this packs a punch. This is so unique. This is so unique. Yes, I am vibing with vibes. Holy shit, I'm vibing with vibes. The opening notes of vibes consist of sparkling bergamot, watery melon, and juicy pineapple. The heart of the fragrance is apple blossom, peony petals, and fresh jasmine, with finish of cedarwood, sun-kissed amber, and musk. Right off the bat, I'm definitely getting the bergamot. I'm getting that pineapple vibe. I'm really getting the cedarwood. And you know what is so funny? Whenever I read ingredients that are like sun-kissed amber, I'm like, girl, what does sun-kissed smell like? This smells like sun-kissed. I don't even know what sun-kissed smells like. This smells like I've just been lying out in the sun with a juicy pineapple breeze, whatever that means. And then I've just entered my beach house and my pool boy is like, what do you smell like? You smell amazing. And I'm like, Kimoji vibes. Get into it. Huh? Yes, 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 and yes, and a yes, yes, yes. Love Kimoji vibes. Kimoji Peach, better bring it. Kimoji Peach, better bring it. I love you, Kimoji Cherry. Your package is bomb, but so far, Kimoji Vibes has literally squished you. Kimoji Peach. If you want to be fancy, say Peach. It's Peach. Again, you get that sticker detail. Reminds me of the Kimoji wrapping paper that you could buy off of Kim's website. I did not buy the wrapping paper. I don't have that severe of a problem, people. But yeah, it's cool. And again, I may be repeating myself. I'm loving the fact that the packages are cute little drawers. It's like an iPhone package. And you know what? The Kimoji Hearts fragrances, they had really cute boxes that like looked like little Valentine cards, like it had a to and a from, but you could tell it wasn't the best like paper. It was really flimsy. They weren't sturdy. They fell over. I mean, I just have the hearts like on display on my shelf anyway, but yeah, kudos to the packaging this time around. I'm really digging it. It's simple, but it's effective and it feels good. It feels sturdy. So without further ado, let's sniff a peach. Okay. Oh, so cute. It's a little baby peach! She's a smooth peach. Honey, this peach was waxed? There is no fuzz on this peach. Honey, it is not as big as Kim's peach, let me just say. But this is really cute. The cherry is fucking huge. And the peach is like, itty bitty peach. It's like, girl, you are Kim K. The peach should have been 2 times the size of this. You know what I mean? Because both wrists are taken, no longer single, honey, I'm gonna do a little spritz on the neck, just a spritz on the neck. Oh girl, this is a fuzzy peach. Ooh, this is a peach. Do you wanna smell like Princess Peach? Girl, you got your fragrance. Ooh, this smells like a nectarine. This smells like some nectar. Yummy though. Feels like I've walked into, you know, a candy store and I'm just scooping away at some fuzzy peaches and I'm just popping them in one at a time. Kimoji Peach has opening notes of succulent peach, darling, juicy nectarine, and mandarin. The heart of the fragrance is baie rose. Don't know what that is. Jasmine petals, peach blossom, and it finishes with some sandalwood, creamy vanilla, and musk. As time has gone by, this peach fragrance has kind of stayed the same. It's been like a few minutes. Before I give my final thoughts, I also need to mention how cool and cutting edge the campaign was for the Kimoji fragrances. So Liz Milan West is, I believe, a fan of the Kardashians, and Kim brought her on board to design the campaign for the Kimoji fragrances. They're like Second Life 3D avatars. You know, you could compare it to like what a sim would look like. You should definitely check out the KKW Fragrance Instagram page, and then Liz Milan West's work is all over the page. I personally love when Kim is like the face of the campaign. My favorite campaign so far was definitely the Kimoji Hearts campaign, where she was posing with the life-size hearts. I thought that was so cute and just right up my alley. But I get that she wanted to shock us. You know, I was looking at these images like, oh, is this the campaign? Is this not the campaign? But it was the campaign, and it worked. It was cool. It was different. Never seen any, you know, high-end brand or popular brand of fragrance or beauty use this sort of art as their campaign focus, and I thought it was super creative and super cool. What did you guys think? Did you like the campaign? Would you have preferred to see Kim in the actual campaign photos? Sound off in the comments. Let me know what your favorite KKW fragrance campaign has been thus far, all collections included. Out of the three, and you probably already know what I'm gonna say, but out of the three fragrances, Vibes is blowing these two away for me. I already know right off the bat, people are gonna be asking me what I'm wearing when I wear this. Vibes is my favorite KKW fragrance ever. Not just in this collection, in every collection she's released so far, Vibes is the winner. I might actually scoop up another bottle of this before it runs out, because I know she just like tweeted that everything is running out. I want this. I want to smell like this for a long time. So Kim, Vibes. I should mention the prices of each fragrance is $45 US. They are 50 ml each, which, listen, 50 ml is the perfect size. You don't need anything bigger, you know, because we're just smelling them for the first time. So you don't want 100 ml of something that isn't your fave. And they are available at www.kkwfragrance.com. If you guys liked this unboxing slash review slash first sniff video, then give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on that little bell icon so you get notified every single time I upload to my channel, and follow me on all social media at NadyWeb. And until my next video, mwah.